Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today is the day we are going on another international trip. We are leaving UK and you'll see shortly which country it is. And right now I just booked a taxi going to my friend's place, and yeah, I need to grab the bag quickly and be outside because it's like 5 minutes away the taxi. I have to go quickly. Yeah, let's go and get the bags. I'll catch you up. I booked on the taxi. It's like 2 minutes away.
How the fuck?
Bro, it's already 2:13. I told them 2:15.
Shit. I took a socks for you.
Yeah, okay. I'll need it if I go on a beach or my socks will be wet.
Stop recording my meeting.
Oh my god, we have to do a lot and it's 2 minutes away. I'll get the bag down. And be ready. You do your shit and
Do we have to put anything else in there?
nothing else. For me, nothing.
No, I have.
Check it.
Do you want the lint roller? Do you have a lot of black clothes?
Yeah, actually keep it. Why not?
Sunglasses?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Keys?
Yeah, got it. I'll put it in the bag. Your keys is there.
Yeah, that will be in the bag. I put your camera. I put your camera like this if it's fine.
Put it the other way around. It will be easy to take it down. Take it out.
I thought lens would be
No, it's fine.
more weight down.
It's the other way.
This way?
Yeah. Okay, this is my bag. I need to carry this and this one. So we both are sharing this big bag.
Fragrance of the
And
day.
we are taking all the shoes from there. What?
We put that because you put all the better fragrances in the bag.
Okay, then I'll leave.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
Huh? I can just hold him there till you come. So I'm wearing the Yeezy Boost. He's wearing the Foam Runner. Thanks for that.
9 पूरा है 10 A और D है और 20 C पर आप देख के बैग में क्या तो भर के जाएंगे
फुरकान ब्लॉग में
ये दोनों डब्बी में नहीं मिलेंगे
So we are in the bus right now. Inside the bus. We are started to London. Back with this guy. Can't help it. And there's like 5 more. So total 7 of us. I'll just introduce them in the airport because we got like almost 5 hours to just roam around in airport. I'll just vlog once we get down in London. Yeah. It's just a normal, it's a flex bus. Say hi. Don't shout at it. Okay, then I'll meet you at the airport, guys. Yep. Day 1. Let's go.
Won't let you fire me, won't let you drag me down. I won't even let the
Reached London.
क्या हो गए सब अपने?
Got our bags out. Now it's time for lunch.
मेहनत कर रहे थे वीडियो.
So we just came by the train to Hounslow to go to a Hyderabadi restaurant to have some food. Let's go. We are in Hounslow. Lot of stores around, so let's pick one store and just go eat. We have like 3 hours to spend here. Let's have a quick bite and move. Go back to the airport. Back in railway station, going back to the airport. So we are back in the airport. Let's go, departures. I'll meet you guys once we checked in and good to go. We have like 1-2 hours to go, so we have some time to explore. Let's go in and check in. These guys stayed back because of the luggage. Let's go see. They're here. They have been standing here since 2 hours. So as you can see, we are in Terminal 5. We didn't check in yet, but we just sat outside because my friends are eating their lunch. We can't take the food inside, so once they complete their lunch, you can see he's having his lunch. Biryani we just bought from the takeaway from a Hyderabadi house. So once he completes eating, we'll just go in, check in, and just roam around because we don't have much time. I think around 2 hours max. So we have to go to the gate. How's the food? Huh?
It's good, it's good.
Not decent.
Way better than decent. Stop recording them.
Chicken biryani from Hyderabad house. There's nothing in there. You also have tandoori chicken, you can.
Is it boneless?
इस पे लिख दो ना जो है
वो फेंक देंगे, ये ले लेके चले जाएंगे।
कौन फेंक देंगे?
वो बॉटल पानी का।
ये?
हाँ, उसमें कुछ अलग मेटलिश टेस्ट था। I don't know what is it.
नहीं।
So we just checked in and we entered the airport. They removed my sunscreen because it was too big and it was my mistake. I put it in my bag instead of the checked in bag. But it is what it is. I have to buy a new one. But it is time. The boarding has started, so we have to head to the gate. Yeah. Just check out the airport. This is Terminal 5. The last time I was here back then when I went to India. And here we are after 2 months. Today we are going to Turkey, Istanbul. So we are at the gate. As you can see behind us, lot of queues, so we just sat over here.
Bharat, record again, Bharat.
No record again.
Too funny, Bharat.
No, it's fine. It's all one take. No record again. Only one takes.
Oh.
We are just waiting for the queue to clear up. Then we'll be heading over to get on the plane to Turkey, Istanbul. Let's go. Day 1. That's the flight we are flying in.
उसमें बैठना है।
Ah,
Anyways, it's a 4-hour journey, so it's not really.
it's literally like a local flight.
इंडिगो देखी नहीं मैं। अरे वसीम का है?
It's coming. ऊपर है वसीम. So we booked the British Airways and this is like a rip-off of British Airways.
Let me record some here.
What?
I'll steal some from your blog.
No, you
We
can't.
expected something else, but
Something.
else. is available.
So guys, we are going to Turkey, Istanbul. And it is a 10-day trip. And the vlogs are going to be exciting. Stay tuned.
can fly, but you'll never get
Let's go.
closer to the sun.
Let's go to
You may
Turkey.
rise at the price of everyone else falling down, but I'm not going down with you. So you may rise, but you'll never make me wanna stick around you.
वीडियो पलटो पलटे
Won't let you take me down.
कैसे आना काम ये लगे
That you
मुझे क्या है? Istanbul International Airport. व्लॉग में आया. Duty free, duty free. Awesome influencer. गाड़ी में चलते हैं. गाड़ी
क्या चल लेना क्या था फिर?
बहुत अच्छा एयरपोर्ट. Check out the airport, guys. It's so good. Why are we the only group which is going this side? Are you sure about this?
So Bharat has started his vlogging.
It's belugas, that is why I have to wear my foam runners.
But you still bought your belugas.
Yeah, but I still brought my belugas. Airport is beautiful.
We have to go there. Nap zone. We have 12 hours to spare. So, nap zone it is.
Kamran bhai, this is Bilal bhai, that is Adnan bhai, that is Zohaib and Wasim bhai कहाँ की medical में बोली.
He is introducing everyone. You didn't introduce me.
You are ever known, bhai.
Yeah, thank you. Dude, I can't see anyone going this way. Are you sure about this?
And I think we probably have to go down there.
No sense, no nothing. So we just took a washroom break. They are trying to connect to the Wi-Fi and sort out the network. Welcome to Istanbul, Turkey. Let's go. I don't know where we'll be going from here. We got a lot of time, so let's explore the airport a bit. Then we'll see about. I'm out of charge. We were late to collect the baggage, and they are neatly kept aside. Like, look at this. Every one of the baggage. Guys, this is the duty free. It's really huge. Like, there's a store, there's a huge electronic store, and the main duty free store is here. It is so huge. And we are off. We are out of the airport, going outside. So we just got a SIM, just 1% for now in the airport. It costed us like £40. So now we are exiting the airport, catching a bus, going to the Airbnb. It's like 1 hour journey. And yeah, everyone is pretty tired. Everyone is hungry. Yeah, let's see. There you go, everyone is heading out. The airport is beautiful. Istanbul International Airport. Can't wait to see the city. We are out of the airport, figuring out a way to get on a bus and go to Taksim Square, which is like a city center. Trying to sort out a bus. Let's see if we can. Check out the parking of the international airport, guys. That whole thing is a car parking. These 3 bays are the pickup and bus stop. It is huge. The pickup bay and all the car parking. So our next bus is at 3:50. It's currently 3 o'clock. So this is the bus we have to board to go to Taksim Square. So we got onto this bus. It's currently 3:33.
And
As you
Bharat
can
is
see.
married with Mifta.
Look at them. They're still outside because it's starting. The bus will start at 3:50, so we got some time. It's a 1-hour journey. They got screens in this bus. Screens and this bus costed us just £3 for 1-hour journey. That insanely cheap, that is. And we are going to the Taksim Square, the city center, where we have our Airbnb booked. Let's go. Guys, check this out. They have vending machines at the bus. Three of them sat in the back, and we are in the front for the view. Check out the airport, guys. It is huge and so beautiful. Lighting. It is so beautiful. And there's a mosque right beside it. You can see it. And the architecture is amazing. Guys, we are about to reach. Seems so fast. Like 6 kilometers away. Look at the mosque. The mosque, it looks so beautiful. That is the Blue Mosque. It is one of the most famous mosques in Kashmir. We'll see it in the morning. But for now, we are in city. Let's check it out. I mean, there's nothing much to see in the night. So that for now, it looks like a Hyderabad to be honest. Well, beside water. Literally, man, it's almost the same. I want to try out the food here, like fast food center. Let's get on the bus. Let's go around the city. We got some store here. We have to check that out. Now we are going to the Airbnb. We dropped off the bags at the hotel, the Airbnb. Now we are walking to in the streets because the check-in time is at 2 and it's still morning 4 a.m. So we are way ahead of our time. So just exploring more of the city. Look at the view. Amazing mosque, which is very nearby to our Airbnb. Looks amazing.
अरे मस्जिद का मालूम क्या नाम है?
So guys, this is the inside the mosque. बहुत अच्छा है.